Good morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be working on a barbecue smoker. Smoker is a little broken down, so we need to fix the axle. I gotta make new grates for it, change the smokestack, and do a few upgrades to it because it looks a little torn down. We came up with this. I got this smoker off of a couple of friends of mine. They came up on it and they didn't want to get into all the work that needs to be done to it, so they passed it on to me and we're gonna work on it. So give you guys a little look around of what it looks like now, and we're gonna try to do a little time lapse on it, and we'll see what we could get done today. All right. So this is the smoker as it sits up now. We're gonna redo the doors, hopefully cut that stack off, weld it shut, put a bigger stack coming out of here. Another one of the biggest issues for this one is that the axle here was broken, and we'll see what we need to do to try to get that back where it's mobile. And as you can see, it doesn't have a burn box, so we're gonna cut a big hole, add a burn box to it. I'll probably cut off all this angle here. I don't honestly really use it on the smoker that I do have, like a little table top thingy on there. I don't really use it, so I feel like it just gets more in the way. So we're gonna cut that off. We're gonna add new grills. Like I said, we're gonna cut better doors on this. I don't know what it sits there. Clean it all out, and I want to say it all like, well, like if you could tell here, this is not flush like it should be. So we're gonna do a little adjustment. I might just cut it all off and start brand new, because yeah, why not? Change the gauge, stand it all down, and give it a new paint job. I don't know what I'm gonna do about the fenders. Again, this is what the biggest issue is. Fixing this. I honestly don't know what the heck I'm gonna do to fix it, but we're gonna try to fix it. So right here, all we're doing is just moving the truck. We're gonna back up onto the trailer and move the trailer out the way so that we can move the A-frame to a better spot. Right here, I'm just kind of excited that I hit that one time. Go. Pretty cool. No backup camera ready. So just moving the trailer. The A-frame, it is kind of heavy, so I'm just going side to side, moving it, just trying to get myself good enough space to back up into. The A-frame, I believe, is like 10 feet tall. We're using an 8-foot ladder till we could connect our 2-ton hoist that we got from Harbor Freight. I actually got a regular chain. I think its capacity is like 1,500 pounds or so. It was a little bit difficult to try to get the chain hooked up in the hoist, but just trying to be safe.
So I was just getting the hoist kind of high so that we wouldn't get tangled as I backed up. Just backing the smoker into the A-frame hoist, try to be as parallel to the chain to where I'm about to lift from. Again, it had a broken axle, so I was gonna lift it right from the middle so I could try to adjust the tire back to place. Alright, so it's about to be go time. I had my beautiful wife help me out here. She was moving forward as I try to keep the smoker right level to where the hoist was. So it's just moving back and forth. It's a little bit tricky since the wheel was trying to come off. But here I added some bricks so that to make like a step, so they don't want to just fall to the ground. And boom, it's on the ground. Yeah, the A-frame moved a bit. Everything was pretty sturdy though, so that was okay. Once again, guys, thank you so much for watching. This is part 1 of our smoker build.